Students were given this question to show that integral 0 to pi g of sine x dx is equal to 2 times integral 0 to pi over 2 g of sine x dx. Now g of sine x, the meaning is we are given a function of sine x. This is the meaning of g of sine x. Now, to do this question, I would like to place here an important property. So, we know that integral 0 to 2a f of x dx is equal to 2 times integral 0 to a f of x dx. Now, this is true only if f of 2a negative x is equal to f of x. So, for this property to hold good, f of 2a negative x should be equal to f of x. Integral 0 to 2a, let us take for f of x to be the function g of sine x. Okay, so this is going to be g of sine x times dx. So according to this property, this should be equal to 2 times integral 0 to a g of sine x times dx, provided g of sine of 2a negative x is equal to g of sine x. All I'm doing is I'm translating the property that we know into the property that we require when the function is given to be as g of sine x. So this is important property, and this is the inference, or I would say the translation of this property when the function is given to be as g of sine x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be taking 2a to be equal to pi. So this would give us g of sine of pi negative x. Now you know that sine of pi negative x is going to be sine pi cos x negative cos pi sine x, right? We know this formula. But sine pi is equal to 0. So this implies sine pi cos x will become equal to 0. So this one is off. Now also cos pi is equal to negative 1. So this implies negative cos pi sine x will now be equal to negative of negative 1 times sine x, which is equal to positive sine x. So g of sine of pi negative x would now be equal to g of sine x. Now clearly this is what we need. Okay, so I can make this conclusion. Hence we now know integral 0 to 2a g of sine x dx is equal to 2 times integral 0 to a g of sine x dx, since g of sine of 2a negative x is equal to g of sine x. So we have shown this here. So this therefore implies integral 0 to pi g of sine x dx is now equal to 2 times integral 0 to pi over 2 g of sine x dx. Hence the result.